Ayan ang aking chicken inasal style at home. Tingnan yung mga kalutong bahay. And of course, ang aking special na garlic rice. Talagang feel at the restaurant. Oh, tingnan. Ang dami nito kasi siniksik ko talaga yung isang malaking bowl. Kasi ang sarap ng aming ulam. Nakakamay ako kasi ang sarap kumain na nakakamay. Ang sausaw dito sa ano. Soy sauce na may sili and calamansi. Ang sarap. Perfect ka ganun pagkaluto ng aking chicken inasal. Hindi ako gumawa ng video because I did video several times the same recipe. That's why I didn't make a complete recipe. Tanggal yung pagkamis ko sa chicken inasal in the Philippines. Masarap. Ganyan. Dudurugin yung sili. Tapos ito, isaw-saw yung chicken. And bite it. Tumalsik. Grabe. So good. People say, while she's talking while her mouth is full. How did I express my good food if I don't talk while I'm eating? The food blogger is, while they eating, they talking to show how the food tastes, to show their expression, how you become a food blogger if you don't have reaction, right? To become a food blogger, you have a reaction to the food you cook because it's really good. Somebody here is quiet because his mouth is full.
Mouth is full.